Well, hello folks, my filers. It is Ray Files episode 57. Walking in wow, you can really not tell what the weather is in these pictures. It's grim out today. It's like 5:30 now. Cloudy, overcast, rained a bit this morning. Yeah, so just on my way back home, making the walk, and had to record a new Ray Files because I don't have one for next Monday. I'm sure all of you will be very pleased with my episode 56 and a half. I was going to just record an extra one, and then my brother called me, so I just talked with Reese for a while, and that was also fun. Let's talk about some things that are going on. What's going on with me? Oh, I'm glad you asked. I've been doing things. I had so I had this thought today. I've been getting a bunch of my work done, just feeling confident, feeling good about what I'm doing in classes and whatnot, because that's what I've been doing. And I felt so good this week, and I think it's partially to do with the fact that my Turkish class was canceled all week because the professor said he was sick. He said it was non-COVID related, so that's good. It's a good sign. I hope he's doing all right and he'll make a full recovery. But anyway, I think that because my class was canceled and I just had I don't know, I didn't have that weight over my shoulders. I just have been doing so well in my other classes. And it's kind of sad that, I don't know, I wish I could be more invested in my Turkish class. But I'm just not feeling it, you know? So, we'll see what I can do. I have an optional assignment that's due this weekend from my Turkish class. And I want to do it. But so many parts of me are just what if you didn't? And it's not like I'm doing other things. I'm being so productive this week. And it's just I don't want to do that one assignment that isn't even hard. It just requires me to read a 17-page article, which is pretty short, and then write a 2-page response paper, which is really short. And I know I could do it. If I just committed to reading that 17-page article, taking notes, it would take me an hour to read it with all my notes and reading it really closely. And then it would maybe take me an hour to write the 2-page response. That's 2 hours. That's barely anything. But I just don't care about Turkish history. But I think I should. I'm starting to get this feeling that I should start to care. So we'll see what my brain is thinking. It's been pretty good at listening. My brain has been pretty good at listening to my mind this week. I told myself to work out, and I actually did it on the same day that I told myself to get up at 9, and I did. So that's, it's good. Getting some confidence, feeling stronger. So I think I can do it. I think I have the juice to accomplish my goals. I just got to do them, So anyway, let's talk about you. How have you been in these past few days? Wow, that's really interesting. Thanks for letting me know. All right, more talking about myself because I don't care about what you were saying. I don't even know what to talk about. I'm just sorry, I've been in this internal monologue with myself all week. Just thinking about myself and what I'm doing. But what are fun things? Okay, I got it. We got this fun experiment that I'm working on. Not experiment, exercise. It's not an exercise either. I don't know, whatever. It's this fun thing that I'm doing. Well, it's an assignment. I have to take field notes, anthropological field notes, on a specific topic, research topic. And, well, that's the goal. There's just a lot of rules about field notes, so that's what's been the trick with this whole thing. But I'm doing mine on how relationships and friend groups stay in touch during this COVID era, which basically means I get to play video games with my friends and like just hang out with my friends digitally and see what happens. So it's been extremely fun. It's been giving me excuses to play with my friends, and it's really informative. It's so interesting. You know, the Baader-Meinhof situation, or Baader-Meinhof effect, or whatever it's called. That's the effect that happens when, after you first hear of something and first get it like defined for yourself, you start to recognize that it's being used all over the place. Like if I were to talk to you, or if I were to tell you about, I don't know, the Baader-Meinhof effect, then maybe it'll just start appearing that like people talk about it. That happened to me. I heard about it in a TV show, and then like the next day it was in a reading, which is just wild. But it's just because like once you first learn about something, you start to notice it all over the place. Anyway, it's that sort of thing. And so what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so in this anthropology class, my professor was like, here, I have this really cool thing that you can do. You should it's good to take notes of like different roles and different class strata the people that you're researching have. And that night, or the next night, I was playing games with my friends, and one of them literally says, I love it how we all have roles. And then says, yeah, like he's the this person, and I'm the this person, and you're the this person. Which is like so cool. I don't know, I love it when that sort of thing happens. When it's like, oh my gosh, what I'm learning is real. Maybe that doesn't happen. I feel like that happens often, and it's really cool when it does. Anyway, that'll be all for this episode. Keep it under 10 minutes. And I found a new optimal way across campus. Very cool. Editorial. My back hurts really bad, so you should rest when your body hurts, and you should massage yourself so that you feel better, and maybe get a massage. I personally don't like them, but some people do, so go for it. And yeah, so there you are. Have a good one. Talk to you next time.